Welcome again to another episode of the Asawana Farms education series. Today we're going to be talking about how to grow moringa from seed and cuttings.
Growing moringa is surprisingly simple. One of the easiest ways is starting from seed. Plant healthy seeds about 1 inch deep in well-drained soil. Moringa prefers warm soil temperatures, so germination happens best in warm climates. In many cases, the seeds will sprout within 7 to 14 days. Once the seedling appears, place it where it can receive plenty of sunlight. Another popular method is growing moringa from cuttings. This involves taking a healthy branch from a mature moringa tree and planting it directly in soil. Water lightly and give the cutting time to develop roots. This method allows farmers to produce a new tree quickly from an existing plant. Both methods work well and can produce healthy moringa trees. If you want to learn how to grow your own moringa, follow Asawana Farms for more food as medicine education.